What is up, everybody? This is Cristiano over here. Welcome to today's tutorial. Um, Today I'm excited. I will walk you through YouTube, and we're gonna learn some stuff today. So first of all, I will teach you how you can delete some video that you have on your YouTube channel. Hi. How you doing?
Good.
You're beautiful. Look at that.
Thank you.
All right. So yeah. So I was saying that I'm gonna walk you through how you can delete some of the video that you have in your channel that you don't like, right? And also how you can be able to download a video that is more than 15 minutes on YouTube, because you have to. There is a function in the YouTube that you need to disable before you can upload a video that is more than 15 minutes. Okay, so without further ado, let dive right into it. All right. So first thing first. Um. All right. First thing first, you come over here to your menu. You go to no, it's here. It's supposed to be. Here we go. YouTube Studio Beta. Go over there. All right. So you go down over video, right? After clicking on YouTube, so you're gonna click into the menu. So it doesn't show the way that it was before. Not a problem. So yeah, you come over here in the video. Let me move myself in the other side up here. Here we go. Yeah, so you go over video. Let's close this. So for those who are, I'm using a different software that way you can see these. But for those who have a normal YouTube channel, it's gonna show differently. So let's move. Let's go to Safari. Safari. Let's go to YouTube. Okay. Same process. Click over here. This is what I was looking for. Creator Studio. That's right. So you click here. Let me put full screen over here. So you go to Creator Studio. You click Creator Studio. There we go. Then click Video Manager. Of Video Manager, now it's gonna depend on you. So here I have some of the videos. As I have some private video and I have some public video. So let's take an example. If I would like to delete this video or this one, let's take this one. You click in the box on the left side, this box right here, and then you move on the top where it says action. You click on the arrow pointing downside, and you scroll the mouse to the bottom right here. You can see it says delete, so that's where you delete your video. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and pretty good. Okay, so this is the first assignment. The second one, what I told you that for those people who have a brand new YouTube um, channel, they can only upload a video that is less than 15 minutes, right? No more than that. So to do that, you to upload a video that is more than 15 minutes. Let's say you would like to download a video of a prophet Shepard Bushiri. It says 2 hours 26 minutes. This actually was a live video. Or TD Jake, Pastor TD Jake. His video is what, an hour and 11 minutes, right? So if you'd like to download this video with a normal YouTube channel that was not yet set up or verified to do so, you won't be able to download a video that is longer than 15 minutes. So what you need to do is to come here and go to same process, create a studio. Okay, and the creator studio, you go to video manager, and then you go to channel. Right here where you see verified. So for those of you who are having trouble to download a video or longer than 15 minutes, so what you're gonna notice is that over here it will ask you to verify, and it won't have this tick, this blue tick right here. It won't have it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click in verify, okay, and then it's gonna ask you your phone number. You're gonna put your phone number, and they're gonna send you a code in your phone number, and you put your phone number back, and you submit. Then you're gonna click verify, and then over here where it says longer video, it's gonna enable, right? So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. For if you have any doubt and or any thing that you didn't understand in this video, just leave me a question in the comment section below, and then I will get back to you. Thank you very much, and that was pretty much it. And you all have a great day. See you in my next video tutorial. Thank you, and have a good one. Thank you.